states, 1,618 languages, 6,400 castes, 6 major religions, 6 ethnic groups, and 1 country. This shows that despite having diverse culture, traditions, languages, religions, we all stand together as one. This shows our unity in diversity, and we are proud that we are Indians. Today we celebrate our Republic Day, and we would like to celebrate its rich heritage and pray for our country. A pleasant morning to all of you. I extend a cordial welcome to Sister Violet, our headmistress, teachers, and to my friends. Let's now pray for our country. With our Mother Earth and its soil. Here are my friends to express the oneness with our motherland.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Here are my friends with a patriotic song. Prakash Shetty to share a few thoughts on Republic Day. Dear Headmistress, teachers, and my dear friends, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is a special day. On this very day, in 1950, we became the world's largest democratic country. Today is the day our constitution was officially declared. It is true that no other country has so much diversity. We are the land of many religions, cultures, languages, and traditions. Yet we are united together by our constitution. All citizens of our country enjoys the same right and privileges under our constitution. And this is what makes our country great and our citizens noble. Today, on the 72nd occasion of our Republic Day, let us all pledge for the uphold of the integrity and unity of our country. Let us strive to make our country more richer and stronger. Thank you. Jai. Now, let us honor our country with a patriotic dance.
पम 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 ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। पम 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 मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। पम पम पम
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
पम 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 पम
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो जय हो चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सत्य श्यामला मातरम। वंदे मातरम
वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
ये दुनिया
एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया।
ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया।
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी।
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे। माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंद
हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Now, let us have some fun with a quiz.
Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. You know, students, tomorrow is which day? Tomorrow is my birthday. No, tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is tomorrow is my pet dog's birthday. No, tomorrow is Republic Day. Oh, students, today I'll ask some question about Republic Day. Okay, sir. For yes, when did India gain independence from British? October 23rd, 2008. Vivid. January 1st. October 2nd. No. India gained independence from British at August 15, 1947. Repeat. India gained independence from British on August 15, 1947. For Vivid, what is the national river of India? Tungabhadra. Here my home on swimming pool is there. That is the national river of India. Yes, no, or whose well. No. The national river of India is Ganga. Repeat. The national river of India is Ganga. For Isham, what is the motto of Indian national emblem? Sir, today came one right. That motto is something. Vivid. That truck sound is coming. It's not smooth, so it is known as motto. No. The motto of Indian national emblem is Satyameva Jayate. Repeat. The motto of Indian national emblem is Satyameva Jayate. For yes, what is the national anthem of India? Vivid. Salam Rakiba. Isha. No. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Repeat. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Vivid. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? There are 10 lions. No. There are 3. Yashas. Yashas. Present, sir. Say the answer. Sir, question. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? 50. No. Total lions in the national emblem of India is 4. There are 4 lions in the national emblem of India. For Isham, who composed the national anthem of India? Narendra Modi. Vivid. Siddaramaiah. Chennappa. The national anthem composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Repeat. The national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. For Yashas, who is the architect of Indian Constitution? Who developed Tagore? No. Vivid. Engineering. Yediyurappa. No. The architect of Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Repeat. The architect of Indian Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Vivid. Who wrote the book titled Discovery of India? Narendra Modi. Amit Shah. No. The book titled Discovery of India wrote Jawaharlal Nehru. Repeat. The book titled Discovery was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. For Isham, when did India become None of them. No. The first president of India was Rajendra Prasad. Repeat. The first president of India was Rajendra Prasad. Vivek, whose famous slogan is "Give me bread and I will give you freedom." Doctor. Chicken farm, because they will take the freedom of chicken and we take its blood also. The famous slogan is "Give me bread and I will give you freedom," wrote Subhash Chandra Bose. Repeat. The famous slogan "I will give you bread and I will give you freedom" was said by Subhash Chandra Bose. When was B.R. Ambedkar awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna? 2023. Repeat. 1990. Yes. B.R. Ambedkar awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, at 1990. B.R. Ambedkar got the civilian award in 1990. Today's class is finished. Yay!
Now I call upon headmistress to give her message.
Dear teachers and students, on behalf of the management, staff and students, let me extend to you my warmest greetings of this Republic Day. On 26th January in the year 1950, 3 years after India got its independence, the Constitution of India was promulgated, replacing the Government of India Act 1935. We are proud that India is well sought after as a sovereign state. Republic Day is celebrated in all states of India with much enthusiasm and patriotism. All institutions, government or private, hoist the flag and organize parades and cultural exhibitions. The grandest and most important of these parades is held at Rajpath in New Delhi, which showcases a multi-hued image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military prowess. This year, on account of COVID-19 pandemic, the festivities of Republic Day may be dampened, but not our patriotic spirit. Let us pledge that we shall live by our constitutions and recommit ourselves to make our country best in the world. Let us pray for our country and our leaders that all of us as one nation be blessed by God and strive to make it a harmonious, prosperous and a great nation. Once again, wish you all a very happy Republic Day.